Dogs are cute, silly, and sometimes downright confusing. But have you ever wondered why they do the strange things they do? Today, we're diving into 5 dog behaviors that seem weird, but actually make perfect sense. Every dog owner knows the zoomies, when your pup sprints around like they just drank 10 cups of coffee. Turns out it's a burst of pent-up energy, kind of like your dog's way of letting loose after holding it in all day. That adorable head tilt? Scientists think dogs do it to adjust their hearing and better understand human speech. Basically, they're trying really hard to listen. Yes, they're better listeners than most of us. Dogs don't just crash anywhere for fun. Those sleeping positions say a lot about their comfort and trust. Belly up sleepers? That means they feel safe and relaxed. Curled up pups? They're conserving warmth, just like wolves in the wild. When your dog proudly delivers you a shoe or toy, they're not trying to annoy you, it's actually a gift. In dog language, it means, "You're my favorite human and I want to share this with you." Sweet, right? It looks funny, but when dogs kick the ground after doing their business, they're not trying to bury it. They're spreading their scent with glands in their paws, marking their territory like little furry graffiti artists. So next time your dog does something weird, just remember, there's probably a fascinating reason behind it. Dogs aren't just cute, they're full of secrets waiting to be sniffed out. If you learned something new about dogs today, hit that like button and subscribe for more fun animal facts. And let me know in the comments, what's the weirdest thing your dog does?